Hello friends, today we are going to learn some questions from chapter number 1, exercise of chemical reactions and equation. The first question here is friends, question number 1, in which the question is given, which of the statement is about the reaction below are incorrect. So friends, the question here is asked negative question. Incorrect, you have to find. What is the reaction given? The reaction is given, friends, 2 PbO, lead oxide, 2 molecules in solid form reacts with, friends, carbon, and it gives us 2Pb plus, friends, carbon dioxide. This is given question to you. Formula and the reaction equation is given. Now the options or statements are given. Let's check what are the statements. First statement A is lead is getting reduced. Lead is getting reduced. This is first option given to you. The second option is carbon dioxide is getting oxidized. Carbon dioxide is getting oxidized. This is the second question option given to you. Third option is, friends, carbon is getting oxidized. Carbon is getting oxidized. And the last option given here is lead oxide is getting reduced. Lead oxide is getting reduced. So these 4 statements are given, friends. And you have to find the correct answers. Answers are given here. Option A, option 1, friends, is A and B. Second option is, friends, given here, that is A and C. A and C. Third answer is given A, B, and C. A, B, and C. And fourth answer is given all. So friends, this is the question given to you. Formula is given. 4 statements are given. Out of these 4 statements, you have to find which statement or statements are incorrect. This is the most important thing, friends. So let's try to understand the reaction. Please concentrate. This is very important. This is lead oxide plus carbon gives us lead plus carbon dioxide. This is the reaction. Now let's try to understand what is happening here. So please, this is lead oxide converted into lead. So in this reaction, we can say, friends, oxygen is removed. From lead oxide, oxygen is removed. And friends, as per definition, removal of oxygen is called reduction. So here the reduction reaction taking place. One thing. Second thing, friend, is this carbon is, you can see, converted into carbon dioxide. Here we can say oxygen is added, which is called oxidation. So this is the basic thing. Now let's check the statements given. The first statement, lead is getting reduced. Lead is getting reduced. Friends, in this reaction, lead is given on right side. So lead is product. You can see lead oxide is converted into lead. So oxygen is removed, it is reduction. So this is lead oxide is reduced, not lead is reduced. And that's why A is incorrect. The first A, lead is getting reduced. Friends, if it is lead oxide is reduced, then it is correct. But lead is not reduced. Lead oxide is reduced. That's why first option is incorrect. Second option, carbon dioxide is oxidized. Carbon dioxide, once again, friends, this is opposite thing given. Carbon dioxide is oxidized. Look at here, friends. This is carbon. Carbon is oxidized to carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is not oxidized. Friends, that's why B is also incorrect. Option B is also not correct because carbon dioxide is product. Carbon is oxidized to carbon dioxide. Okay, this is B. Now C, carbon is oxidized. Friends, carbon is oxidized. Yes, because in carbon, oxygen is added. So C is the correct answer, friends. C is a correct statement. C is correct statement. Carbon is oxidized. Yes, carbon is oxidized to carbon dioxide. Lead is oxidized. Lead oxide is reduced. Fourth is lead oxide. You can say this is lead oxide is reduced. Yes, lead oxide is reduced. Oxygen is removed. So D is also, friends, correct statement. Now, these four statements we have checked. First two are incorrect, second two are correct. Now, friends, these are our options. Answers are given here. First answer A and B are incorrect. Second option A and C are incorrect. Look at here, A and B incorrect, A incorrect, B incorrect. So this option looks, friends, correct. But let's check A and C. A and C, A is incorrect, C is correct. And the question is asked only incorrect. So dosto, C is correct. So this is not the right answer. Third option is A, B, and C. All are incorrect. No, friends. Look at here. Only A and B are incorrect. C is not. So this is also not. And the last, all incorrect. So friends, it is also not. Why? Because these two are correct and these two are incorrect. So the number one, A and B are, friends, incorrect. This is the correct answer. Number one is the correct answer, friends. So this is about the question number one. Let's go for the next question. The question number two, one chemical reaction is given, friends. That chemical reaction in question number two is about Fe2O3. It's iron oxide reacting with aluminium. Here are two aluminium atoms are given and the option products are Al2O3 plus 2Fe are removed. This is the reaction given. And the question is asked, this is example of First option, is it combination reaction? Second is option B is given, double displacement. Reaction, is it option C is given, friends, decomposition reaction. And option D is given, friends, displacement reaction. Now all these are the type of reaction, type of chemical reaction. So let's check it out. What is the correct answer? First of all, combination. As per the definition of combination reaction, combination reaction, if many substances, two or more substances are converted into one, they are combining into one, it is called combination. So here you can see left side two reactants are there, right side two products are there. So it looks simple, it isn't combination reaction. In combination, two or more components are combined to form one molecule or product. So this is not example, because on both sides you can see, friends, two reactants and two products are there. Second is double displacement. Second option is double displacement. In double displacement, friends, positive of first will go with negative of second, and vice versa. Negative of first will go with positive of second. So two reactants, minimum two products, both have exchange of their ions. But you can see, friends, only here one component, one reactant has two ions, positive and negative. This is only one. So this is not example of double displacement. Two displaces are not there. Next is decomposition. In decomposition, friends, one substance is to be divided into more or many. When any one molecule or substance is divided into two or more components, it is called decomposition. But you can see here is not decomposition, because 2 and 2. So this is also, C is also not correct. Last option is displacement. What is displacement? If one substance is displaced by other, one substance is added, another is removed, it is called displacement. Let's check it out. Fe2O3 plus Al gives us Al2O3 plus 2Fe. You can see, friends, here in this reaction, Fe is displaced by aluminium. This aluminium is added here and Fe is out. You can see Fe is out. So aluminium is displacing Fe, or Fe is displaced by aluminium. So this is example of single displacement reaction. And that's why, friends, this is the correct answer, displacement. Single displacement or simple displacement reaction is the correct answer. Okay, friends, thank you.